Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Annamae and I post content all the time on fashion, travel vlogs. Today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a review on the BEIS East to West bag. I can't say it's a fair review in the sense that I haven't actually worn it and put it to use yet, but I definitely wanted to share some first impressions. I travel a lot and I just wanted to make sure I found the bag that was perfect for me and that crossed all the criteria off of my box on what I was looking for. So hopefully this video is helpful for you if you are looking to make the same purchase. Just for context, this actually used to be my travel bag. It was quite literally a $10 bag from Target, and on my last trip I looked down in the airport and noticed that the straps were ripping. I was just praying that it would make it through the remainder of the trip there and back. Thankfully it did, but it's with a sad and heavy heart that I retire this bag because it's been with me through thick and thin. As I was looking, I was debating between the Dagny Dover Allen tote, their cotton canvas tote, and then this one, and I just felt like I couldn't justify the Dagny Dover prices because they didn't meet all of my criteria. I'll link them down below just in case you want to take a look at them. Maybe it's more fit for what you're looking for, but I personally felt like this one was like a really good hefty travel bag to carry with me. They do have one on their website. I think it's called like North to South, or like I don't know what direction the name of the bag is. And that one was a little more of a vertical style, and I felt like that was more ideal for like a work tote, and this one is more wide. They also have this in the color black, which I feel like is probably the safer and more functional choice when it comes to keeping the bag clean. This is actually what it looks like up close. You can kind of see that like if you do have a spill on here, it does wipe off easily. I can't say the same for the fabric on the handles, but for the majority of the fabric it does seem like it would be easy to clean and wipe. And then this is what the inside looks like. Okay, so first impressions when I opened this up was one, that the color was just so pretty and it looked exactly like it did online. Second though, my mom actually brought up, she was like, is that going to fit under the seat compartment? And I didn't even think about that, but I did double check, and on the BEIS website they actually have the bag dimensions, and then they also have a little reference guide for the plain under seat dimensions, but I would definitely double check that with your actual flight. Honestly, you can like smush it down and get it under there. Okay, so just kind of starting off with like the exterior of the bag, the handles, I loved that there are 3 different ways that you can carry the bag, which is one, the shorter handle, so if you just want to like quickly grab it, you have that. The way I feel like I'm most going to be using it is on my shoulder. I just feel like that's the easiest way and the most flattering way to carry it. And then there's also an adjustable strap here that you can clip on or clip off, and you can wear it as a crossbody as well. That is a long strap, so you can definitely adjust it because I'm 5'2" and this just wouldn't fly. Having me carrying this around the airport like this. I want to see how much shorter I can get it. I feel like I adjusted it as short as I could. I guess you could do like a crossbody also, so that works. It sounds silly, but a big factor for me was making sure that the tote has some sort of exterior storage or just something where I can fit something on the outside, because when I go through the airport, this probably isn't the safest thing to do, but I always like to put my phone, wallet, and passport on the outside. Glad this has a zipper, or tucking it in on the compartment on the inside, because nothing irks me more than when I get to TSA security or I'm buying something at a food stand and I have to dig through a bottomless pit of contents to find my wallet or my passport ID. So I do like that it has a little compartment on the outside that does have a zipper, and it also has an attached key strap, so if you want to keep your keys secured. Again, also loved that it zips up. You'd be surprised at the number of travel bags that don't zip up, and I'm like, that is just not safe. When you're walking around the airport, anybody can reach their hand in your bag and take something. I also real quickly wanted to note that the compartment on the back is pretty big and it has a magnet, so it's not like it's just loosely hanging open. It does have a little magnet that keeps it shut, which I can really appreciate the tiny little detail there. Okay, the inside of the bag itself is huge. I Really wanted to make sure that the bag that I purchased had a laptop compartment, which this one does. It has a little sleeve in here and it does fit my 13-inch MacBook. I have both a Pro and an Air. Pretty sure I'm only going to be traveling with one, but both sizes would fit in here. And then it also has like two side-by-side pockets with like little pen inserts. On the opposite side, there's like a big zipper with a pretty huge compartment. I feel like in here I would probably keep like, I don't know. Normally in here I store like feminine products, tampons, medicine, things that like I don't want to have to like dig around in my big bag for. Another big deciding factor for me was the fact that it had a water bottle holder, and I literally figured out today that there were two in here, which just makes me so happy and excited. I am notorious for just like hauling liquids through the airport. I always have my water bottle, my coffee, my juice. So excited to finally have a water bottle compartment. I know a lot of travel sites have like the little detachable water bottle holders that you can just like clip inside your bag and detach. I was like, this one already has it, so now I just want to buy the bag even more. And now I'm like 10 times happier because there's two in here, not just one. That is it for like my first impressions, why I purchased the bag. I will be posting another video later in the month of like an actual what's in my travel bag and kind of doing like a more thorough review. So if you want to see that, you're just going to have to subscribe to my channel. Kidding, but not really. If you want to see that notification, definitely give my channel a subscribe. I hope you found this video helpful. If there's any questions or anything I didn't address, just leave a comment down below. And until next time, I will see you guys in another video soon. Bye.